Shalom, your take on you being this time nominated as King Momo for this carnival sport project. How do you feel?
So first and foremost, I would like to thank the department, the committee, and all the other members who are there who have selected the King Momo. It is a selection which takes place and it is not a nomination. So therefore, there were 4 other contestants over there and they felt that I was the best among all the others. So I would like to congratulate them for giving me an opportunity. And yes, I have been King Momo in 2016 before, and hopefully I can do better than what I had done in 2016.
How big opportunity is this for you, especially because this is second time again?
Well, big opportunity I wouldn't say, because see, there have been King Momos before. There will be King Momos later. My take is that my interest is to get King Momo mixing with the people. And as I said, in 2016, I had roughly about 12,000 snaps. This time I'm hoping to get more than that. So if anybody wants snaps, they can come at any point of time after the floats are over or before the floats, and I'll oblige to click snaps with them.
Tell us about the differentiation between the olden carnival and the present times.
Well, the olden carnival had more feeling, had more enthusiasm, and had more revelry, because I have been King Momo of an float way back in 2000. And at that point of time, it was not commercialized. It was more, the feeling. Until and unless people had the genuine love for carnival, they would not take part. Today, it has become, like all other institutions, have become commercialized. And therefore, people look for inducement. People look where the department has to ask people to go join the floats and take part. Whereas earlier, it was a scenario where people lovingly and willingly would join in.
Now, before the carnival starts, there is always a message with taking moments. What would be from your side?
See, my message is very clear. I say live life king size, because Carnival is a festival which has been a traditional festival of Goa. It has started way back in 1970 and it has been going along. Now, what happens is these traditional festivals need to be promoted. People need to join in. People need to be a part. And only then can the festival be a success. And I would actually ask the youth, especially the youth, to join in, because these festivals have everything that you want: food, music, dance, alcohol, and therefore people should join in these type of festivals instead of going in for EDMs, because the latest trend has been people moving over to EDMs, and we have seen that the recent EDM, there were about 3 people who lost their lives. So I would actually ask people to come more to the traditional festivals which have been a part of Goa and have the ethos of Goa in it.
EDMs are bad for Goa?
I basically have not gone for an EDM because I don't believe in the thought process of an EDM. So basically, personally, I would say I am not in favor of an EDM. Plus, we have also seen that there have been 3 deaths that have taken place. See, the increase in prices will take place post-carnival. It will come from April. But I basically do not agree with this particular rule, because the cost of alcohol will go up roughly about 15 to 20%. Now 15 to 20% not only hampers the tourism which is going to come into the state, but it also hampers the locals, because in Goa you have to understand that whether there is a festival, whether there is a party, whether there is a celebration, people are used to having alcohol, and therefore an increase of roughly 15 to 20% will be a big hit on the people who consume alcohol. Are usually celebrated because of a particular reason. Now, Carnival is celebrated as a prelude to Lent. There is other festivals, Shigmo is there. There are other festivals which are around. The government should think of how to promote all the traditional festivals. EDMs, I am, as I said earlier, and I say it again, I am against EDMs. And as I have said before, there were 3 deaths that took place. Sadly, nothing has come out from it. So it is for the government and the particular department to decide. I cannot decide for them. A wonderful carnival. Please come in, join us, and be a part of the revelries, so that this traditional festival does not die a sorry death.